Good early Saturday morning, everybody. I'm here early this morning. It's about 8:30 right now. I've already been here for a little while digging up the plumbing lines that you can see behind me of where we're going to be putting the new lines. What we decided to do is put a lot of thought into this process so that if the lines, God forbid, ever do need repairs, that they are easily accessible. It will cost us a little bit more money to run the lines. We're running the lines, so it's relatively straightforward as homeowners and what we can do. But what we're done is decide to extend them further back past where we're going to be putting a patio or a slab around the pool. Now that allows us to have access to the majority of the piping if there ever will be an actual leak or damage, that type of thing. We will still have some runs. For example, this line right here is one of the returns, so the jets of the water going back in the pool. You're going to have about 6 feet under the slab or patio. We haven't decided what we're doing yet, but that's okay. Whereas before, they had all the plumbing completely underneath the slab, and when we pulled it up, what we found was all the cracks and everything that had been repaired already. We don't want to go through that again. Also, one of the things that we put into thought is for the returns, so the water going back into the pool, we're actually going to have a slight pitch on them so that when it comes time to winterize, it's easier to drain the pipes so that water naturally drains through them, and also makes it easier for our pump to supply water to the pool. It's, some people say it's insignificant, some people say it isn't, but it's still kind of basic science, so that kind of would help. Also, we're going to move the actual skimmer. You'll see earlier in some of the early videos that the skimmer had to be moved because of rust on the old location. But we're also put the skimmer the skimmer is going to be right in line with the pump, with as short as run as possible, dead shot right to it, so it doesn't have to suck as much around any type of 90-degree angles or anything like that. All right, so that's it. I'm going to show you what I've dug out so far, and I got another maybe 2 hours of digging. So here we go. Okay, so we left the old pool, the old line in. That will come out. This is just going to give us an idea to find it when we dug the hole. What you can see is I've already done this line for the most part. A lot of roots. I'll get in here and cut them and clean them all up later. Swings around. What you can see right here in the dirt, I drew a line where the new skimmer is going to go. Get a straight shot to about right where my boots are, so where the pump is going to be. So, straight shot from there. It brings all of the water in. Nice, cool shot around for the returns with a natural pitch, and that's it. The liner still looks like crap, but that's getting replaced, so that's fine. And that's what we're doing.